Nchenkuru kumeri ubanyi. This is where I was born. This is my late mother. She was a great lady to me. She was a great woman and a hero to us. She has made us what we are today. If not my mother, we couldn't be what we are today. Let us all rest in peace. Amen. I'm the firstborn of mom and dad. Now, my follower is called Martin. He's now Professor Nyangiri. The second one is Engineer Gata Augustine. The third one is Pascal. The late Nyaputo. The late Sister Clemencia Nyaboke. And the last born is Caspar Maina, the principal of Nairobi School. That's the number we are in the family. I thank God. Mungu ametulinda kwa uzuri, kwa ubaya, na tunashukuru Mungu. Asante.
My name is Martin Nyangiri Umanyi, a son to the late Consolata Bitutu Umanyi. My mom, Bitutu, was a great lady, an admirer of excellency in all our life, a disciplinarian, a God-fearing lady, and above all, loved and cherished the ability of her children to excel. I believe death has robbed us an icon. Death has robbed us a mother. Death has robbed us a uniting factor in the family. I believe without her sacrifice, time in space, and forceful enduring, we will not be what we are today as a family. My father, who is her husband, Charles Momanyi, died in 1988. She has kept us together. She has seen us grow. She has seen us advance. And we have always remained her children, regardless of our status in the society. We believe that what she started, what she planted in us, the faith to live harmoniously, the faith to bring up children who are God-fearing, the faith to keep on struggling will always be the pillar of our life. We shall endeavor to carry out the work she did. We shall endeavor to do what was best and what she intended for us to be. May God rest her in eternal peace.
Kwa majina ni Christine Nyaingiri. Mimi ndio bibi wa kijana mkubwa wa huu mji. Mama tuliishi na yeye wakati mwingi. Mama alikuwa anatupenda, tulikuwa tunapendana na mama. Tulikuwa tunapendana na mama sana sana. Alikuwa kama, hakuwa kama hata mother-in-law, alikuwa kama dada yangu na kushinda dada yangu. Tulikuwa tunalala, akilala upande huu na mimi nalala opposite. Nalala kitanda opposite. So mom, tulikuwa tunapendana naye sana. Alikuwa ananiambia mambo mengi. Tulikuwa tunaongea kwa muda. Tukilala usiku, hata hatulali. Tunaongea the whole night. Mpaka asubuhi ninamwambia, mami, si tumeongea sana, si ulale kidogo. Yeye ndiye alikuwa nilikuwa naishi mbali. Na yeye ndiye alikuwa ananishughulikia kwa kazi yangu. Anatumana wafanyikazi wanipigie simu, niambie kazi yangu imeharibika. So, mama tulikuwa tunapenda na yeye. Nimepoteza mom, nitammiss sana. She was a pillar, a great pillar of this home. Alikuwa mchungaji mwema wa huu mji. Sijui niseme nini, sina wazi ya kusema, lakini namwombea tu Mungu amweke pale pema peponi.
My name is Augustine Nyakweva Gata. I am the third born of Omongena Mokobi. This is our home. This is my house. Omongena Ochire. She has been taking care of this home. Most of us have not been living here. She's the one who has been taking care of this compound. Her loss to us is very great, because he's going to force us now to begin thinking of about making arrangements of who is going to take care of this home. But somehow we shall manage. She was good. She was great. We loved her, and we wish her well, the best. We shall make sure that her memory remains and stays with us, and all around us. Thank you.
Yes, my name is Pascal Momanyi. You are at Charles Momanyi's home. That's my dad, who passed away 34 years ago. I live in the United States of America. I live in Arlington, Texas. I have a family. My wife's name is Pamela. I have my firstborn, Akorokwa Stacy Momanyi. Then I have Brenda Momanyi. Then I have Charles Momanyi, named after my dad. Then there's Jaden Momanyi, my lastborn. So on 26th, I left States to come and visit my mom. We came with my wife, Pam. We came here to visit mom. On 1st of the new year, we were here with Casper's kids. We had fun, we took pictures. Mom was okay. I'll give you the pictures later if you want to see them. So I took my wife back to the airport to fly back to States. Then I stayed in Nairobi. I was doing some construction. So I stayed in Nairobi for a week. Second week, my brother called me like Mom was not feeling well. So we drove down with my brother Casper. I met him in Nairobi school. We came down to see. And then we found Mom had been booked at Medford Hospital in Kisii Town. So we went there. She wasn't doing very well. About another 4 or 5 hours, they moved her to ICU. So me and my brother Casper, we stayed at the hospital overnight, sleeping on the couches. One day went. Second day, Mom was talking. Then we said, let's go to Wanyangande. Wanyangande is here where you are. This is called Wanyangande. So we came home. It rained heavily. We stayed home until 5 p.m. Then we left back to town. So when we arrived at town, the doctor told us, your mom is not doing very well. Oxygen level was going down, 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 down. So we stayed there. That was probably on Thursday. We stayed Friday with my brother. Saturday night, things got worse. And the doctor told us even the heart is not doing very, very well. So we stayed there. I think Casper's wife joined us in the room where we were waiting. Sunday morning at 6:30, the doctors and the nurses called us that we need to go to the room. Everything was going south. So we went to the room. We saw Mom. She wasn't doing very, very well. Things were going bad. The doctor told us, probably in another 2 hours, your mom will not be alive or she won't be no more. We stayed, we put up, we cried, we said bye to her. And then around 6:35, Mom went to be with the Lord. So we told the nurses they can go ahead and remove everything, all those, whatever was in her body, all that stuff. So that's how Mom left us. So we moved her to level 6, Kisii General Hospital. Then we came home with nobody. You know, remember Mom left here alive? She never came back home. She'll be coming home tomorrow around 6, 7 p.m. to be laid to rest on Friday. So that is what I can tell you. I have brothers here, you already talked to them. You only missed one brother, the Casper Maina. He went to town to make final preparations. We have people in the compound. We have been having a lot of people home. But tomorrow will be a big day, which I'm really scared because I've never done this before. We're going to take Mom to church, Nyamoa Catholic Church, where she was very fond. Mom is a very strict Catholic. We were brought up as Catholics. We know the rosary. We know all, whatever the rites of the Catholic Church. We have been having Mass every day since Monday. Monday we had service here at home. Tuesday we had service. Today the priest is coming around 3 or 4 p.m. We are having service again. So that is how Mom was. My memories I have, it's a lot of memories for Mom. I'll probably say this on Friday, I won't say it today. There's a lot of memories about Mom. I usually, anytime I got a chance, I can fly home, come and stay with her and all that. This time was very special. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. My name is Casper Maina Momanyi. So I'm the son to Mama Consolata and the late Charles Momanyi. We were 5 brothers and 2 daughters. We are currently 4 and 1 daughter. Our mother, Consolata, has gone to be with the Lord. And we are not lamenting. We are not really lamenting. We are not cussing. I think we have every reason to celebrate her. I think she means a lot to us. Without her, we would have not achieved much, really. We would have achieved so little. So our story and her story are inseparable. And I, being the last born, really, I had an opportunity of being with her as a last born. And I saw her struggle. I saw her struggle all those years. And she really struggled for us. She believed in schooling and education for us. And that is why she did sacrifice a lot to ensure that we went to school. Education has been very helpful to us. And we grew up here. Life was difficult those days. And, but you know, because of our guidance and support and care, we were able to stick on and remain in school. And all of us went to school, fortunately, all of us went to school. And we want to thank, we will always forever be grateful to her as a mother. We will miss her, we will seriously miss her. And we don't know how things would unfold. We don't know what the future has for us. But we still keep the faith. Our mother was a woman of faith. She was a devout Catholic. I've never seen anyone as committed as she was. And she brought us up with those principles and values. And those are the principles and values that we cherish. We promise we will do our very best. We will do our very best to ensure that we do not disappoint. She loved us and she wanted the best for us. And we hope we are up to it. We are up to it. And we want to still appreciate the community for this massive support. And we are still appealing to the community, friends, relatives, to work with us until we finish. We are going to have a Requiem Mass tomorrow in Nyamagwa. And on Friday we shall have a burial over here. And we hope all will be well. Otherwise, thank you so much and may God bless you.
Sorry. So I'm Joyce Maina, wife to Casper Maina. We are the last born of this family. So it's unfortunate that we lost our dear mom. We were together on 1st and 2nd. She looked healthy, but after 1 week, she fell unwell, and we took her to hospital on Friday. At around 5 p.m., she was taken to high dependence unit. She stayed there until Monday afternoon is when she stopped talking. All the days she could speak and say, I want to go home. She was okay. But the doctor told us that her lungs were not well. So that's what happened, and we lost her on Tuesday at around 5 a.m. in the morning. Is when the nurse from high dependence unit came to call my husband and tell him to go to ICU. And when they called him, I feared that something had gone wrong, because even the oxygen she was using, it was not going on well. Like when I was in the ICU, the nurse said that the oxygen is at 8%. It's not very okay. Even the X-ray they took, X-ray of the lungs they took on Monday the 17th, showed that more than 8% of her lungs was spoiled. So that's how we lost Mom. She was great to us. Being the last born, I think I was used with my mother-in-law. I could come home, I feast her, we laugh, but we thank God for the far He brought her, for the time we shared. We glorify God. That is what happened.
Iliyotalia nangana dinya moya mawa so bona inere grave yaye yesabali umwiso baba gutimo twamusabira maya biyabona